Guys, we got another freaking cheater. Another person cheated in a tournament. This time it was another kayak fishing tournament, and the guy used a tactic that honestly hasn't been used yet, and that is Photoshop and AI. This is absolutely insane. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to dive into this. So yeah, guys, this just happened at a native kayak tournament. I believe it's called the Native Watercraft No Limit Power Hour Kayak Fishing Tournament. I might have got that wrong. There's not much information on this right now. They're being a little hush-hush. But this just happened a few days ago. A guy freaking allegedly cheated. But, I mean, it is obvious that he was cheating, allegedly. It seems that a man of the name, I'm going to go ahead and just say allegedly again. This man allegedly cheated, but Ernesto Mendoza decided he was going to go cheat at this little kayak tournament. And for what? Why? Why do these guys do that? And it seems like this guy's been doing it for a while. They kind of followed the trail, found out this guy's been doing this for a while. He's been getting away with it on several different events. And this is absolutely incredible. Actually, I've been wondering when this was going to happen. Because of, I mean, Photoshop's been around forever. Now with new AI, you can literally just tell AI to do something. Like if you need to edit a photo, you can just tell it. You can just be like, hey, change this, put this there. And that's probably what this was. It could have been Photoshop. It's pretty sloppy, which the AI stuff is usually pretty sloppy. Still, especially if you're trying to do like a free program on your phone, it's pretty bad. But this guy, he was stealing photos from other submissions, which is absolutely unreal because there's only really like one tournament photo submission app out there, and that's TourneyX, and the guy was pulling photos from it from other tournaments that other anglers have caught. So this is what's crazy. All these cheater videos that I've done in the past, usually they have like at least caught the fish themselves. They're still cheaters. They're still horrible human beings, but usually it's fish that they had caught and they found a way to cheat with fish that they'd already caught and stashed or used old photos of themselves, something. This guy was stealing photos from other tournament anglers, and he was basically just pulling the fish out, changing them a little bit, changing the hue, maybe the saturation, and then changing the size like barely. And this guy tried to submit. He took a 26-inch fish from another guy that was from a different tournament on Toledo Bend a few months before and used it at this Lake Fork tournament that Native Watercraft was hosting. He submitted it, changed it a little bit, and I mean, you can obviously freaking tell. Like, I'll go ahead and throw it on the screen again. You can obviously tell that this is completely fabricated. And seems like he was caught pretty dang quick by a tournament director. I guess the tournament director even confronted him, tried to call him. The guy denied it. The guy had the freaking audacity to show up at the award ceremony and try to plead his case when I don't know how. I mean, it is so freaking obvious. You can see it's the same fish. Like, there's no way you could convince anyone it's from a different photo. And apparently, like I said, he's been doing it for a while. This guy has been getting away with it for a while. The fish that he was trying to submit would have been the biggest bass like ever submitted at this type of tournament. So obviously you're going to look at that. Someone sent in a giant freaking 25 3/4 inch fish or whatever the heck it was he was trying to pass it off for. The original fish was 26 inches. Absolute freaking monster, by the way. The guy who caught that fish, like, hell yeah, dude. That's a big fish. But to have somebody rip it, like, how did he not think he was going to get caught? Obviously, the guy who caught the fish before is probably going to look at it, too, and be like, that's my fish. Absolutely incredible that people are doing this. I can't believe it. I cannot freaking believe it. I just heard about this stuff. I'm in my car. I had people text me. So, I'm throwing this video up because this is a crazy one. I literally just pulled over and was like, I gotta get this video out there. Absolutely freaking insane that this guy was doing this. And getting away with it for months, it appears. What the freaking hell, guys? What do you think about this? People are now using Photoshop and AI to cheat at fishing tournaments. This makes me really wonder. All these dang cheaters, man. People have been cheating since the beginning of time. That's all I'm going to say. Human beings are disgusting freaking creatures. And, I mean, what are you cheating for? $1,000? Like, I mean, what was the total prize? It wasn't that much. Good Lord. And to think that you can get away with it? Unfreaking real, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. I mean, this is why a lot of people aren't fishing these kayak tournaments anymore, because too many people are cheating. And this guy's not even smart about it, but somehow he's getting away with it. So what's that say? I mean, he was changing the like the metadata of the freaking of the photos too, to make it look like it was from that day and all this. And that's how he was getting away with it. You know, he was, because you get the identifier like the night of the tournament or the morning of the tournament. So he was just taking his old photos, taking pictures of his hand with the dang identifier on it. Who knows if he was even going out on the water? He had no need to. Throwing this fake fish on his board, like this pulled photo that he took from another angler's photo, cropped it up, put it on his in his kayak on his board, and submitting them. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. And then changing the data to make it look like it was in the right time, which all that stuff's easy to, you can see through all that bullshit. I don't know why. I don't know how he got away with it as long as he did. I don't know why he thought he would get away with it. I mean, good Lord, dude. And it's the thing, if these people are going to cheat in something as silly as a kayak fishing tournament, what else have they cheated on? Like, this is scary. It's making it too easy. AI and stuff's making it too easy. Like, people are literally getting their degrees from AI. Like, ChatGPT, there's people that are having ChatGPT in college now. Like, they're just having it write all their essays. Like, everybody is getting, technology keeps getting more advanced and more intelligent. Artificial intelligence is getting more intelligent, and then the people are just getting dumber and dumber, and they're all relying on it, and then they're taking advantage of it in situations like this. Where the hell is the world going? I do not like the way things are going. Take me back to the freaking 90s or something. I'm getting sick of this shit. Absolutely unreal, guys. Comment below. Let me know what the hell you think about this. I bet you there's more guys out there doing this. This guy was bad at Photoshop or the AI or whatever he was using. It's not good. He was not good at it. Imagine someone who's good at this shit, or someone who's using an expensive like software, like AI software to do this. Someone who's paying for like a monthly subscription to like get the most out of it, or someone who's just really good on freaking Photoshop, which heck is most people nowadays. I used to suck at Photoshop. I'm pretty dang good at it now. Better than this guy. Not that I would go and do this stuff, but yeah, I bet you there's other people doing this. I mean, this is probably the first time someone's been caught. Who the heck knows? Everybody else, and people are so bold. These people keep getting caught, and then other people keep continuing to cheat. I can't freaking believe it, guys. Pretty unreal stuff. I mean, it seems like every few months there's another cheater, whether it be kayak fishing or just regular fishing. I mean, I started posting videos like this on this channel back in, I believe, 2020. Walleye cheaters, was that 2020, 2021? I don't even know anymore. There's been 100 since. Unfreaking real, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think. This guy, I mean, is he just criminally insane, or is he just an idiot? I have no idea. Comment below, let me know. When there's more stuff released, I can give you guys an update on this. Unbelievable. But all right, guys, that is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.